right, so we are back. I am going to, I did my makeup and now I'm going to go ahead and style the hair. So I do need to give it a trim. I haven't cut it yet. I have been wearing the hair for about 3 days. So it looks really, really good. I'm really happy with the way it turned out. I ended up using all the hair. I have absolutely no hair left over. And it's definitely a lot of hair, but I definitely like my hair to be full like this. So for me, it's the perfect amount of hair. But if you don't like as much hair, you can obviously install less. So I'm just gonna trim the ends. And I'm not pulling down. You don't want to pull down when you're trimming the ends. You want to just let the hair lay where it's gonna lay and just trim off the scraggly parts. Don't pull it down, because if you pull it down and cut, it bounces back and you don't know where you've cut it. And that's with cutting any curly hair. You don't want to pull. You want to just touch the curl, figure out which one you want to cut, and just cut it. And see if there's anything straggling in the back. I think it looks decent in the back, so I'm good there as well. With this hair, you probably don't need to cut any layers into it, but you definitely need to cut these long pieces that are like right in your face. And I like to cut them in like face framing layers, because I don't want it completely just in my face. So I'll kind of just cut these on an angle down so that it's not completely in my face. And like I said, you don't want to pull too much. You want to just cut it where it is. So that's pretty good for me right there. I'm cool right there. So I'm gonna do the other side and then I'll be right back. Alrighty, and there we have it. This is the final look. I am loving this. I was concerned about the color at first. I kind of was nervous, like, ooh, how is this gonna work out? My hair is black, this hair is brown. But wow, I love it. I actually love it. I shouldn't be surprised, because even when I'm scared of color, once I install it, I actually love it. So I don't know why I'm so surprised. This style is very versatile. You can flip it to the left, right. You can wear it up and down, up, half down, 2 buns, 2 ponytails. So I'm gonna show you some of the styles and ways you can wear it. The hair is extremely lightweight, very high quality. You can cut it and it doesn't unravel. This hair, I feel like you'll be able to wear this in the water, on vacation, if you go out of town. Very low maintenance style. You don't need to do anything to maintain this hair or the curl pattern. You don't need to use mousse, hairspray, oil, nothing. This hair is just good to go, and I love that about it. Very low maintenance with a very beautiful style. So I mean, you can't go wrong. It's low effort, very easy to install, simple install, lazy girl install. Literally, it takes no time to put it in. And yeah, I don't have anything bad to say. You guys know, if you see my channel, I love Yankee Twists. I love these mini twist styles. It looks like you mini twist your hair, but instead of spending 3 days mini twisting your natural hair, you can get this style in less than an hour. Because this install was extremely fast, okay? So highly recommend. If you have questions, anything, definitely leave them in the comments down below. And yeah, make sure you subscribe to the channel. I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers. We are at 87,000. So please subscribe. I want to hit 100,000 by 2026. I've been on YouTube for 10 years and that would be a huge milestone for me. So if you could share the video, like the video, all that good stuff. And yeah, stay tuned for the hairstyles, and pretty much after that I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. I love this flip over. Anything is possible when you have a good haircut. Do you see how simple and easy it was to achieve this flip over? The hair is not all in your face. It has a nice layered look to it. Absolutely love it. Let's flip it to the other side. Absolutely beautiful. I love it. And let's try putting the hair up.